What's going on YouTube? This is Gemini G7. Today we got another video I want to do for you guys. This is another product review, and it's Criterion barrels. So let's dive down close and we'll talk more about it. All right, catch you guys in a bit. All right, guys. So we got the Criterion barrels Inc. right here. They have make a lot of production, not production, a lot of handmade barrels for a lot of companies, including the Midwest, and they have a really good astounding barrel system. They're very good, just as good as ballistic advantage. Okay, so let's dive down close. What we got in here? Nice packaging presentation. Pull this out. We got a gas tube and a couple of stickers. There we go. Okay, so the gas scooper here, this I believe is maybe a 750, but I have to double check. And right here we got the micro gas manifold for 3/8 barrels. Cage, Badger Ordnance brand, made in the USA. Let's get this one first. So we got the gas block, low pro gas block. Okay, as you can see, that it's nice stainless steel gas block. Comes with 2 screws and a pin, okay, for your gas block. Let's hook up to your gas tube as well. This gas tube here also has another pin right above it, as you can see. Nice, really real nice made, good in quality. Okay, and also in this box comes with an instruction manual how to assembly your gas block with your barrel and the gas tube itself. Okay, as you can see, Badger Ordnance. Okay, and they're based, and Badger Ordnance is based out of Kansas City. Okay, really simple. Okay, and keep that. Get you a nice couple of stickers, and go to this packaging here. So what is this? Obviously it's a barrel. And there we go. So what did I buy? So we got a 10-inch barrel over here, 10.5 to be exact. They're making 8.5s. That's the newest thing, new size. For this company here, they just started making 8.5s. But they've already been making 10.5, 16-inch, 14-inch, etc., etc., etc. So it's a very nice. Well, I'm not gonna open it because it's sealed and has oil in it. I'm keeping it like the way it is. This is a backup barrel for me for my 300 blackout. Nice crown, as you guys can see. The feed ramp. Okay, really nice. And they have a real nice pin ready to go to line up with your gas block. Obviously, this is a 5/8 barrel, 5/8 for 300 blackout. Okay, this is what I ordered. And as you can see, it's not fluted, it's not slim. Has a good decent weight to it, and the good beneficial of having more mass, more weight on your barrel is to heat compensation. It heats extraction to the barrel, and it absorbs the heat while shooting a rapid fire. That way it doesn't get so hot, and it lasts a lot longer too. Okay, and right here we have the BCM. Yes, they do carry BCM. BCM boat carrier group right here. nitrate as well. Fire pin has everything. This is all one complete package. So we have everything here to set up for the 300 blackout if I want to use a 10.5 inch. Okay, obviously if you guys see my Instagram picture, I have a 10-inch barrel on there already by Aero Precision. This is a 10.5. This set here is really a backup. Okay, and that's what all it came with. Okay, so now we know what's in the package. Let's go back to FaceTime up and close and talk a little more about it, and we'll go from there. Catch you guys in a bit. All right, guys, we're back. So why did I choose Criterion barrel? Well, Criterion barrel makes barrels for a lot of companies as well, and not just a handful, a lot of companies. Okay, and you probably even notice it if you know where it's coming from. Okay, so there's a lot of more than a handful of companies that are using Criterion barrels and use their barrels for their setup and for sale for you guys to buy. Now, Criterion barrels is well known for extraction heat from your barrel, because they don't just shave off your barrel to make a fluted barrel to make it look nice and fancy. They're more about like to where it consumes heat and it makes the barrel keep on going and it keeps its accuracy going. That's what they're all about. They're not all about weight or weight savings. They're all about accuracy and keeping accuracy for a very, very long time, including shooting rapid fire or 3-shot burst or full auto. The barrel can handle it, and it lasts it lasts a long time, pretty much. Okay, but everybody knows the barrel can only withstand with so many rounds through the barrel. Now, give and take, you know, we have people that have AR-15s and etc. You know, 300 blackout, whatever the case may be. You know, they shoot like 4,000, 5,000, 6,000 rounds, and they still have good accuracy. As you get in those kind of high numbers, you're starting to lose accuracy. Shaving off every time a bullet goes through that barrel. So you're having built wear and tear in your barrel every time you shoot. So don't think that every time you shoot a bullet like goes through that barrel, you know, especially when you have a 1.7 or 1.8 twist, you know, it's gonna start having more wear in the barrel. It's just like your car. So if you're driving your car every day, going to and home from work, or grocery shopping, or going to the movies, or you know, whatever the case may be, you're always using that car. Those wheels on that car are always spinning, going reverse, park, whatever the case may be, driving the freeways, driving small roads, taking the local roads, taking the roads that go around to go through traffic, to beat traffic. You know, you're wearing out your tires, your brakes, oil change. Every time you're like 3,000 miles. Now these days, and these newer cars now, they have to do 6,000 or 7,000 miles before you do oil change. When the miles hit, you have to do an oil change. If not, it's gonna mess with your motor. Maintenance, okay? It's all about maintenance, okay? So if you want to keep the car running for a lot longer, you have to take care of it. Tires are bald, replace it. If your oil changes up, replace it. Antifreeze is getting low, refill it. You know, things like that. Your brakes are going out, replace them. Same thing with the firearm industry, okay? If you got a barrel, you shoot 3,000, 4,000 rounds, and your accuracy, your shots are not as getting off, it's time to change the barrel, okay? Barrels don't cost that much, people. You're looking to spend about $200-300 most, okay? Depends on what you get and what kind of manufacturer you get it from. Ballistic Advantage is a very good barrel as well. These guys are just good as a Ballistic Advantage barrel, okay? There are also good barrels out there like GP Enterprise that makes a good barrel. Daniel Defense also makes a good barrel. Air Position makes a good barrel. Also BCM, which is Bravo USA company, they make good barrels as well. And you know, barrels, they wear out when you shoot so many rounds, okay? Especially when you go to the range and you train yourself for readiness, sharpness, muscle memory, and train yourself to be combative. And when something happens in the real world, you already know the training. You have the muscle memory. You know how it works. You know how the rifle works. You know how the rifle shoots, accuracy and all that. But then again, as you're training, you're wearing out your, it could be the bolt face of your bolt carry group. It could be your barrel. If those things wear out, you have to maintain them, and also not just maintain them, replace them if they're losing accuracy and they're wearing worn out. Okay. I have met a couple of guys from Prime Yards as well. They have shot their rifle 6,000 rounds, and they haven't cleaned it yet, but they do have to, they have mentioned that about another 500 rounds or 1,000 rounds, so they're gonna have to replace the barrel. Okay, so don't think that barrels wear out. They do wear out. Okay, and that's the reason why I'm buying another set. And another thing is why Joe Biden is becoming president. He may start having serial numbers on these barrels. It's gonna be harder for us to get. So I'm just being more prepared and having this set up as a backup for my 300 blackout. So this set here is for my 300 blackout. It has everything already for it. Okay, so this is my backup barrel if that barrel ever wears out. So I'm good for a long time. Now this Criterion barrel, what's this Criterion barrel all about? Now before I get to more details, okay. Well, you know what? I'm going to do the details first on what's about it. And then I'm going to show you a video about this Criterion barrel, and you be the judge of that, okay? So the feature of this is an M4 style extension, 0.750 gas block, dimpled for easy of installation, hand lapped rifling for pristine internal finish, age and barrel cleaning, and pronounce of accuracy. Finely polished chambers for reliability extraction, 5.8-24 TPI muzzle threads, capable with a wide range of muzzle device, nitrate finish for corrosion resistance, and improved barrel life. Okay. Dimensions is 25 by 3 by 3 inches. Length is 10.5 inches. It's a hybrid barrel. Gas length will be a pistol style. Gas block, direct impingement, okay, which is 750. Muzzle brake 5.8-20. Chamber and 300 blackout. It is a 1/7 twist. Number of grooves 5. Material stainless steel 416R. Finish nitrate. Okay, they're claiming as the 10.5 inch barrel at 1.25 pounds. 8.5 pounds coming soon. So they're still coming out with 8.5s. They're making them right now because I decided to get an 8.5 at first, and I changed my mind that I wanted a 10 and a half or 10-inch barrel. Okay, so given weight of the weight, okay, giving time of the weight. I got to do this in down close, but I'm gonna do it right here. Okay, so we got this thing being stupid. Okay. So now we got this zeroed out. Well, actually, you know what? Let me bring the camera one more time real quick. That way you guys see the weight, and then we'll go back to FaceTime. All right, guys, we're back. Okay, so now I brought my scale out, zeroed out. This is a 10.5 inch barrel. 1.38 ounces. 1 pound, 3.8 ounces. Okay. All right, guys. So you guys saw the weight scale. Let's see how much it weighs. They're claiming at 1 pound, 1.3, 1 pound 3 ounces. Okay, so we're good there. Obviously, I'm not gonna open up any of these. Okay, I'm using this as a backup for my system, for my 300 blackout. Now, hope you guys enjoy this video for good information. If you guys want a Criterion barrel, I'll add the links to the very bottom of the video. Also, give me a thumbs like, comment, share. Tell me what you think. You have any questions about the barrel system, you can ask me away. If not, you can always go to Criterion website as well, which I'll add the links in the very bottom of the video where you get this barrel and have more information if you want a Criterion barrel and what they're all about. Okay, what is their main objective? What is their innovation of these kind of barrels? What they put in it, and I also want to give a reminder as well. Almost at 1,000 subscribers. When I get 1,000 subscribers, I will do a giveaway. So stay tuned to that. Just to give you a little reminder. Also, give me a thumbs like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. That way, when I have any other new products or my journey of work and travel adventures like that, you guys get notifications. You guys can watch those videos and enjoy them as you get them as well. Okay. So here's a video about the Criterion barrel, and maybe this will give you my point of view to you for you to understand what they're all about. And they're happening right about here.
Hi, I'm Michael Ross with Criterion. I'd like to take a minute to talk to you about our 300 Blackout barrels. The 300 Blackout was designed to give the AR-15 the ability to fire 30 caliber rounds while maintaining parts commonality and standard capacity. This chambering is extremely versatile with its ability to fire supersonic loads that produce ballistics similar to the 7.62x39, while also offering the ability to fire heavy subsonic loads, making it an ideal candidate for use with a suppressor. This cartridge offers very good terminal performance, making it a great option for tactical applications, hunting, as well as competition and range use. Criterion 300 Blackout barrels undergo numerous steps to ensure perfectly uniform bore groove dimensions. Every barrel is hand-lapped and features polished chambers for maximum performance and reliability. Increase your capabilities with Criterion barrels. Today I'm very proud to announce the release of the Criterion CORE Series rifle barrels for the AR-15. It's a continuous taper. We're taking a page from what we know about precision bolt guns and what makes them so accurate, and we're applying it to the AR-15. It's meant to be run hard. Alright, you got a tunnel off to the left.
Roger, moving.
Alright, continuing on the left, we got two tunnels crossing each other.
Okay.
I'm going low, Joe cover down the hall. It's on you. It's very well balanced. I mean, even with all of those accessories on the front end of the gun is just very much neutrally balanced, and that's with, you know, low power variable optic, offset aim point, your IR laser, your light, suppressor. It slows you down, it burdens you. I mean, it makes you have the maximum capabilities with the firearm, but it doesn't necessarily maximize the shooter's capability with the gun. So it's basically taking what would normally be like the weight on the front end of a government contour, and it's bringing all that material back towards the breech where all the heat takes place when you're firing.
Clear.
All right, back out front.
All right,
Cards
moving.
with you.
Go to a large industrial room. Ready?
Ready, take my right.
Roger.
Obviously, there's guys out there climbing mountains, kicking indoors. They need to be able to move fast with their guns. This is an answer to that. This is not a pencil contour. This is not something that's super lightweight that heats up fast. It's a barrel that's meant to be, you know, used and used hard. It's meant for training. It's meant for someone who doesn't have high volume round counts. But at the same time, it's going to make you more effective with the gun.
Move it up.
With Joe, you got your
Down here.
You're moving around, if you're actually using the gun in the real world, that's what makes the difference. And that's specifically what this gun was, you know, is set up for. This barrel is designed for somebody who's going to be actually applying it to real world shooting. In real life, when are you taking a shot from the prone? Rarely.